This 2027 Heartland Prowler 1700 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Marriott-Slaterville, Utah, 84404 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Ogden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland and features Sleeps 5. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.